Down in these bushes down here, I kind of got a bit of a surprise for you today. This is a 1984 F-150, I think. This was Willie's high school truck. It was his very first truck. Unfortunately, the poor thing was in the way one year when they were getting ready to plow, so it got put down here in the bushes. And life happens, and it hasn't come out since. It's been down here a very, very long time. To tell you how long, when it was parked down here, this whole front part was red. So it's been a long time. And it's surrounded by picky bushes. This, I believe, is a 93 Wrangler. I remember them driving it around, Bobby and Willis, but I do not remember how long ago it was they parked this. It's been a long time. It used to be purple, now it's a grayish. In fact, they used to call it the Grape Ape a long time ago. And again, still surrounded by picky bushes. Lots and lots and lots of picky bushes. This poor thing. This, I think, is the 86. I don't ever remember them driving it. I think it actually belonged originally to Willie's mother. But again, as you can see, this poor thing has sat out here for many, many years. And again, we are in the middle of the woods with all of these poor trucks sitting out here. But good news, we're gonna see if we can start this one. If we can, we should be able to get it up out of here. As for these two, unfortunately, I do believe both of their frames are gone, which means we'd have to do a lot of work to try to restore these poor babies. But maybe someday. Look at that, we got an engine. A wooden battery box.
I put that there to pad the battery.
And enough pine needles
To start a war.
Does it move?
I don't know, I couldn't tell.
Oh,
It does, it's not froze. Yep.
look at that, we got movement.
That's a good sign. So what we're going to want to do is take and get a gas can or tank, put over here, come right off this pump.
Off that one?
Yeah, because that's the fuel pump. Because I don't even want to try the tank.
Right, no.
Come
God,
right
no.
off. Come right off this into the carburetor. That thing's not
Well-
stuck, or whatever the hell you want to call it. Oh,
Is that good?
yeah, it's all free.
Nice. So we need to bring down a battery,
One battery.
a gas tank, some gas. Is this empty?
Should be.
How's it look? Oh, it's got some down in there. She's not empty.
I'll put water in it. My next question is, what's Earl look like over there?
Earl. Oh, 710?
Yeah, Earl. Oh, perfect.
Is it good?
As it ever was.
Now, how long has she been down here?
Let's say the late part of 08.
08?
That's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
That's 10 years.
15, 16, 17, 18, yep.
So she's been sitting down here for 10 years.
Your daddy was the last one to drive this on the road. I drove it, well, I mean, I drove it a little bit after he got done with it, but he didn't like it.
And he died in 07?
Yeah, so it was 07.
Yeah.
So it sat down here stickered for a year. No, it's been in it already.
Yeah, so I mean,
Breaking off.
that's all fixable.
Yeah.
Oh, we're missing a taillight.
What?
Yeah, there's a taillight gone.
Are you fucking kidding me?
No, I'm not. Not even beginning. Might have to do some rewiring thanks to mice down here.
No, they're both there.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a new tailgate. But that's all minor. We gotta get it running first. Gotta hear a vroom vroom.
I bet you a battery and some fresh gas. I bet the key room.
Yeah.
You think so?
These two.
I know where the key is.
What, to this one?
Yep.
Oh, hell yeah.
I know right where the key is.
All right.
We need gas.
So, if you guys want to see this thing go vroom vroom, subscribe and you might be able to get to see that next week.